What's up, everybody? I have two boxes of 2018-19 Panini Spectra, first off the line. I'm just going to be busting one box today, so let's get into it. Okay, first up, Michael Porter Jr. out of 175. Steven Adams. Not numbered. Oh, nice. Wow. Trae Young. Awesome hit. This is the gold version, numbered out of 10. That's a nice patch, too. Really nice hit. 3 of 10 on that one. Awesome. Xavier McDaniel. Sticker auto. This one is out of 75. 50 out of 75. Pretty nice. Rick Fox. Radiant. 16 out of 49. Wendell Carter Jr. Awesome. That's the pink version. Rising Stars. Neon pink. Should be numbered out of 25. 2 out of 25. Nice card. And the rookie, Robert Williams, jersey, out of 99. It's a nice looking card. On card auto. Very cool. And this is the first off the line exclusive. Looks like the Shock parallel, Marvin Bagley III. So that should be numbered out of 9, I believe. Yes, 7 out of 9. Nice. Nice rookie card. And then TJ Warren. Numbered out of 75. That was a good box. Very nice. Wendell Carter, auto. He'll be going to my personal collection. 2 out of 25. The nice hit of the box, gold version. Next era, Trae Young. Nice little patch there. 3 out of 10. Awesome. All right. See you guys.